A warm welcome to all of you in today's episode of Youth Folio, our weekly magazine series which revolves around the 8 states of the Northeast. In today's episode, we have encapsulated many interesting happenings, so let's get going.
Deepa Karmakar, country's first woman to win medal in gymnastics, gets rousing welcome in Tripura. 3 Alpha cadres killed in Goalpara. 2 NLFT militants nabbed in Tripura. Guwahati inducts martial arts trained lady bus conductors on city buses. People of Tripura come out and protest against violence in Gaza. Gospel concert in Manipur espouses peace. Assam holds Bengali food festival. Tripura celebrates Barsha Mangal Monsoon Festival. Tripura gave a rousing welcome to Agartala girl Deepa Karmakar, who became India's first woman to win a medal for artistic gymnastics by winning bronze in the recent Commonwealth Games at Glasgow. 20-year-old Deepa was garlanded and welcomed with bouquets right from the Agartala airport, as the entire city seemed to have converged on the streets to greet and congratulate their favorite sportsperson who had done the state and country proud. Children lined up on the streets even as Deepa and her proud coach, Vishweshwar Nandi, went around in an open jeep acknowledging every greeting with broad smiles on their lips. The state government and sports association felicitated her, while her ecstatic parents urged everyone to encourage their children to pursue sports and bring glory to the country.
এটা তো আমারও মনে হয় আমার মতো অন্য মারও যে চেষ্টা করুক যে এরকম আরও দীপার মতো আরও দীপা বের হোক, এরকম ন্যাশনাল গেমস ইন্টারন্যাশনাল গেমস থেকে মেডেল নিয়ে আসুক, এটা আমাদেরও গর্ব হবে।
Deepa herself said that her next goal was to bring gold in the forthcoming Asian Games at South Korea.
আমার এশিয়ান গেমসে টার্গেট মেডেল নেওয়া এবং আমার কোচেরও টার্গেট সেটাই। আমরা পুরো চেষ্টা করব যাতে আমি ওইখান থেকে মেডেল নিয়ে আসতে পারি ত্রিপুরাবাসীর জন্য এবং দেশের জন্য। পরিশ্রম যতটা করেছি এই কমনওয়েলথে যাওয়ার আগে, এর থেকে একটু বেশি তো করবই 101 বার, কারণ এবার ব্রোঞ্জ এসেছে। আমি চাইছি এই রংটা বদলায় আমার দেশের জন্য এবং আমার স্টেটের জন্য। তো আমি আমার পুরো চেষ্টা করব, আমার দিক থেকে আমি কোনো দিকে কম রাখবো।
Deepa has grown up practicing every day at the local sports complex of Agartala, where even tiny tots can be seen trying to emulate her. The state government had earlier rewarded her with job as physical instructor in the state sports and youth affairs department. It is often said that if you live by the gun, you also die by the gun. This ironically came true for 3 Alpha militants who died when an IED they had kept to perhaps kill innocent people blast and claimed their own lives. The militants were hiding in the house of a local in Ajia village of Goalpara district of Assam, near the Assam-Meghalaya border. Police is investigating into the case. The Goalpara district is much disturbed by militants of both Alpha and GNLA, apart from NDFB, and by ethnic clashes, unfortunately. Meanwhile, in Tripura, 2 militants of the National Liberation Front of Tripura, or NLFT, were arrested on Friday, the 1st of August, from a residence in Agartala city. Identified as Jagdish Dev Barma and Indrajoy Riang, both residents of Kanchanpur subdivision in North Tripura district. The militants had 2 extortion receipt books of the terror outfit, 23 photographs and rupees 5,000 in Indian currency, which were later found to be fake notes.
দুজনের নাম আছে ইন্দ্রজিৎ রিয়াং আর জ্যোতিষ দেব বর্মা, এবং ওদের সঙ্গে ওদের বাড়িতে সার্চ করে ওরা কিছু টাকা, কিছু ফটো আর কিছু লিফলেট পেয়েছে। এখন আমাদের পুলিশের তদন্ত এখন শুরু হবে। পুলিশের তদন্ত শুরুর আগে আমি কিছু বলতে পারবো না। হ্যাঁ, লিফগুলি ন্যাশনাল লিবারেশন ফ্রন্ট NLFT লেখা।
crimes against women on the rise in Assam, the Guwahati Transport Department is in the process of introducing trained women bus conductors to keep a check on troublemakers on city buses. Accordingly, 20 women are being given training by karate experts deputed by the department in martial arts and other self-defense techniques. The women trainees would be given licenses and put on duty after the training is complete. It is expected that these martial arts trained conductors would ensure safety of passengers, especially women, which is a major cause of concern. The women conductors have been trained how to react during emergency situations besides self-defense techniques and training for mental calmness and alertness. It may be mentioned that the number of cases of crimes against women in Assam jumped to 17,449 in 2013 against 13,544 in the previous year.
ये लेडीज़ कंडक्टर के लिए ट्रेनिंग दिया जा रहा है। तो यहाँ पे मार्शल आर्ट का ट्रेनिंग दे रहा है, एक सप्ताह से दिया जा रहा है। और इन लोगों के जो बस में कैसे टिकट लेंगे, कैसे पैसा लेंगे, वो आदमी लोगों के साथ कैसे बिहेवियर करेंगे, इन लोग इस सभी दिशों पे ध्यान रख के इन लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दिया जा रहा है।
जिस तरह हमें यहाँ पे सिखाया गया है कराटे, तो हम अपना सुरक्षित कर सकते हैं। जो यात्री बैठे हैं उनका भी पूरी तरह से ध्यान दिया जाएगा, उनको पूरी प्रोटेक्ट किया जाएगा, उनको सेफ्टी हम करेंगे, उनको हम प्रोटेक्ट देंगे, इतना हमारी गारंटी है। उनको कुछ भी मतलब कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं होगी हमारी बस में।
Intellectuals, professionals and people from various walks of life, including both men and women, took out a massive procession in the streets of Tripura's capital city Agartala on the 3rd of August to protest against bombings in Gaza by Israel. The procession included participants who read out excerpts from books, participants who sang for peace and anti-violence, and participants who just walked with placards strung on their necks. The participants sent their signed protest to the state and central governments to urge the governments to raise their voice in the international platforms.
Cultural activists of the city, Agartala, we have assembled today together to inform our hatred to the Israel government. And we also demand that the largest, biggest democratic country, India, why the government of India is silent.
This procession was organized by the intellectuals in protest against the genocide in Gaza Strip. Actually, as an educated man, we cannot tolerate this bombing on the women, children, even innocent people. So this protest was basically against genocide.